How to enable or disable Samsung Internet Show desktop sites on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Internet Browser app. Then we go down and tap on the menu button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Next, in the Internet Settings page, we go down and tap on Web Page View and Scrolling. Next, we go down to the bottom and then tap on Show Desktop Sites. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Now that I have turned it on, if I go back to my web page and if I refresh the page, it should show desktop version of the page. Here I can also manually choose mobile site. So this is a manual switch over between desktop and mobile site. But the settings in here are the settings for the default loading page. So here I can switch it off so that when I open up a web page, it will not default to desktop version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.